Good morning, friends. Myself Dinesh from Fundamental Research. I will discuss the results preview for Q1 FY13. The revenue growth is expected to moderate to about 16% after showing a growth of 20+% in the past 5 quarters. Despite the benefit due to weak rupee coming to sectors like IT and pharma, the revenue growth is expected to remain at around 16%. The slower growth in the revenues is due to deterioration in the macro environment and also due to high interest rates, which is start getting reflected in the company's revenues. Going ahead, the weaker monsoons and delay in the monetary easing could take further toll on the revenue growth. Coming to margin front, the margins are expected to decline further. We estimate margins for the Sensex companies to come to about 18.9% compared to 19.5% in the preceding quarter. The rising input cost has actually taken a toll on margins. The sectors which face steep margin pressures are like auto, capital goods, telecom, etc. Whereas the sectors like IT and pharma will see a boost in margins due to weakness in the rupee. Coming to earnings front, the earnings growth for the Sensex companies is expected to remain subdued. We estimate earnings growth of about 8% ex SBI for the Sensex companies. The breadth in the earnings remain quite subdued, as out of 30 Sensex companies, about 8 companies will see a sharp decline in their Q1 profits. Now, which will be the key drivers for earnings? We believe that banking, IT and pharma will be the key driver for the earnings in Q1. Banking sector will show a relatively steady performance due to steady growth in NII and higher treasury gains. IT and pharma sectors will continue to benefit from the depreciation in the rupee. However, the companies like Reliance, Tata Steel, GAIL, Maruti, etc. will actually drag the earnings growth of Sensex. Looking at the company specific, companies like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Sun Pharma, Hero MotoCorp, ITC, etc. would actually do better than their peers in the Q1. Whereas companies like Mahindra and Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Bharti Airtel, India Cements, PTC India, Syntex Industries, Tata Chemicals, Cadila, Andhra Bank would actually disappoint in Q1 results. So overall, after the steep downgrade in the earning estimates for 2013 over the past 18 months, the consensus estimate for Sensex earnings growth now stands at 12% CAGR for FY 2012 to 2014 period, compared to lofty expectation of 22% kind of growth earlier. Therefore, the Sensex earning estimates look more realistic now. At the current level, the Sensex trades at about 12.5 times to 13 times 1 year forward earnings, which is still lower than its long-term average multiple. Thank you.